Hello, let's get healthy. This is AD Tech YouTube channel. Subscribe and be family. How to open Google account emails in 2025 in very simple ways. In this program, we will tell you the steps one by one in a short and clear way. Follow us. I often see videos that say Google account emails are distributed. But most of the videos are very complex and confusing, especially for beginners. But it is possible to open Google account emails in an easy way. And it is possible to open Google account emails in an easy way. First, we open our phone, then open the Google application by tapping once. When we open it, we will see a sign that says Sign In on the right side. By tapping it, we will enter the Google account emails opening. As soon as we open it, two options will appear. 1. For my personal use, this means for personal use. 2. For work or my business, this means for work or business. So, to open it easily, we will click on the first option called Personal. Then we will click on Next. It will take us to the next page, and then Create a Google account will appear. At the beginning, enter your name. Here we will enter the username. Look, now I will continue to show you how to open an account that I do not use, so that I can be my mother. First name is AD Tech. Last name Sports. Then we will fill in the date, month, and year of birth. For example, look at mine, July 28, 1983. After that, open the box next to select gender and click on if you are a woman. If you are a man, click on Now I am a man. Then we will select our Google account. Here, the place itself will select the origin of our name. If we want, we can take one of those. For example, look at what it gave me. adtechsport@gmail.com. sportedtech@gmail.com. If you want, you can take one. But if you want to create your own, click on the circle box. Then it gives me a place to write what I want to be. See what I want. AdTech 1983 entered. It was not accepted because there is someone else with this name. So I added something to it. Then I added 7 numbers. Then it accepted and took me to the next step. So I created a Google account address. Next, it is an important step. Here we choose a password for our account. Enter the password. Here our password must be strong and not shown to anyone. So make it strong. It must be composed of numbers and symbols, at least 8 characters long, and not more than 8 characters long, which we cannot forget. For example, look at mine. Then we say continue. When we say next, it tells us to save the account on the phone. If we want, we say save. If we don't want, we say not now. Finally, it shows us our account. Then we click continue next. The important thing here is that we agree to Google's terms and conditions to ensure that we are subject to Google's rules and regulations. Finally, we agree by clicking on the blue I agree button below, which means that Google services will take us. Now we have a Google account, but to verify the verification code on our phone, there's another method because Google has not been sending verification codes in Ethiopia for a while. I will show you that in another video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel family. If you have any other video topics you'd like us to make, let us know in the comments. Leave us a comment on the